Hey guys, what's happening? How to create Repl in Replit. Okay, so in case you didn't know, Repl now they call themselves, or Repl now changed their name to Replit. So Replit now, or Replit apps now, includes creating an app. Okay, so they made a big thing about it. You can see it on the official website. Repls are now Replit apps. Okay, and they updated the name at January 30th, right, of this year. So what you're gonna do, basically, if you want to create an app, you're gonna just go ahead to the app section on the left hand menu, then hit create, and then you can create using an agent, or if you have an idea already, you can just go ahead and start laying out your idea. Okay, and you can see right here agents and automations, right? Select a trigger event for your agent, like Slack message, Telegram message, whatever. You can see right here general, 3D game like flight simulator, trivia battle, solar system, data app, right? Or you can have many ideas, and if you can see right here auto theme. If you want to change theme, you can just go ahead and select your favorite theme. So basically, once you hit start chat, the AI will start creating the app, and now you can publish it on various platforms. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.